I am so obsessed with my ChomChom roller. I have a very cute, very fluffy cat, but oh my gosh, my couches would not survive without my ChomChom roller. We've got a nice, dirty couch covered in cat hair. Now watch. After you're done rolling your ChomChom roller across your couch or piece of furniture, all you do is open up the back and look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This all came off of my couch. The ChomChom roller is so easy because it's so reusable. Save your furniture from the pet hair. Go buy a ChomChom roller.